RankMath is one of the most easy to use SEO plugin in WordPress industry. And this beginner-friendly SEO plugin helps your WordPress website to rank higher on Google and other search engines. In this video, I'll guide you through how you can optimize your website by using the RankMath plugin and get higher rank on Google and other search engines. First, you need to click the link in my video description. Then you will come to this page. After come to the RankMath homepage, you need to click on the download for free button. Now, you will come to the RankMath pricing plan page. RankMath offers 3 pricing plans for all of their users: Pro, Business and Agency plan. Pro plan is perfect for bloggers, individuals and solopreneurs. RankMath Pro plan support unlimited personal website, track up to 1000 keywords, powerful schema generator, free content AI trial. Their business plan support up to 200 client website, track up to 20,000 keywords, powerful schema generator and much more feature. And RankMath agency plan support up to 750 client website, track up to 75,000 keywords, powerful schema generator, free content AI free trial with 45,000 credits. And all other pricing plan comes with 24-hour customer support and 30 days money back guarantee. But if you just start, then RankMath 3 plan is the perfect option for you. To get the RankMath SEO plugin, first you need to click on My Account text. Then you need to create your free account to use RankMath plugin. After complete the sign up process, you need to click on the download button. Then RankMath plugin will automatically download on your computer. Now let me show you how you can install RankMath SEO plugin on your WordPress website. First, you need to log in to your WordPress website and then hover your mouse on plugins and click Add New Plugin. Then click on Accept Plugin button and drag and drop your RankMath SEO plugin which you just download. And click on Install Now button. After complete the installation process, you need to click on Active Plugin button. After you activate the RankMath SEO plugin, you will come to this setup page. RankMath offers 3 setup methods: Easy, Advanced and Custom mode. But the Advanced method is the best for all of the users. So you need to select it and click on the Restart Wizard button. Now you need to select your WordPress topic and type your website name. If your website have any alternative name, then you can type here. If you want to show a specific logo for Google, then you can upload the logo here. And if you want to show a different image when you share your website on different social media, then you can upload the social media image here. Then click on the Save and Continue button. After come to this analytics page, you need to connect your RankMath plugin with Google Search Console. If you connect your website with the Search Console, then you can able to see lots of data for your website. But I am going to skip this process. RankMath sitemap and optimization page default setting is the best for you. So I want to go to my dashboard. Now let me show you how you can optimize a post or page by using the RankMath plugin to get the higher rank on Google and other search engines. First, you need to open the page or post which you want to optimize by using the RankMath plugin. After opening the page or post, you need to click on the RankMath pixel icon. On this page, first thing you need to know is your focus keyword. What is focus keyword? Focus keyword is the main topic of your post or page that you want to use to rank higher on Google or other search engine. Now you need to click on this snippet button. First thing you need to set up your SEO title. But the question can be appear on your mind, what is SEO title? When you search something on Google or other search engine, then this first bullet text is your SEO title. You can easily change and modify your SEO title by using the RankMath plugin. Now you need to set up your permalink. Permalink means your website special URL. You can easily share your website specific page or post by using this URL. Now you need to type your description, which will also show up on Google and other search engines. And you must need to use your focus keyword on your permalink and SEO description. Now let me show you some of the basic SEO features of RankMath. First, you need to use your focus keyword on your SEO title. That means you need to use your focus keyword on here. On the next step is you must need to use your focus keyword on your SEO description. Then you need to use your focus keyword on your URL. Next SEO feature is your content is long enough. Now come to the additional section. On this section, you must need to use your focus keyword on subheadings. Then you need to use your focus keyword on image alter tag. To use your focus keyword on image alter tag, first you need to open the image and then paste a focus keyword over here. Next feature is you need to link with external resource. That means you need to embed a link of external relevant website. and the external link must be a Drupal link. Then you need to link with your website others page. And this is the basic SEO feature of RankMath. When you are satisfied with that, then save the changes. Now, let me show you how you can submit your website on Google Search Console. First, you need to search Google Search Console on a browser. Then this page will open. Now click on Search Console. Then click Start Now button. Then this kind of pop-up will appear on your screen. Now you need to select URL prefix and copy your website URL and paste it here and click on this continue button. Now you need to verify your website ownership. You can verify your website ownership in 4 different ways: HTML tag, Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and domain name provider. But the most easiest way to verify your website is HTML tag. So you need to click on HTML drop-down box and copy this verification tag. Now go back to WordPress website, hover your mouse on RankMath SEO and click General Settings. Now click on Webmaster Tool. Now you need to paste your verification code here and scroll down and save the changes. If you are using any kinds of caching plugin as like me, then you need to clear your cache after using this verification code. Now go back to the Search Console area and click on Verify. By following this simple way, you can easily verify your website on Google Search Console. And that's the basic SEO feature which you need to know to rank higher on Google and other search engines. I hope you found this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video.